In this video, you'll learn how to build a social network app using Lovable. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to create your own app, from accessing the platform to generating the final product. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website, open your preferred web browser and enter the Lovable URL. Once the site loads, you should see a clean interface welcoming you to the platform. This is your starting point for building your app. Next, look for a message that prompts you with "Got an idea?" This message indicates that you are in the right place to start your project. Click on the home button, typically located at the top of the page, to access the main features of Lovable. After that, you will need to type in "create a social network app" into the search bar. This action helps the platform understand your project requirements. Once you have entered the text, press the Enter key on your keyboard to proceed. Now, you should see a message indicating that you are exploring social network app. This screen provides you with options and templates that suit your project. Take a moment to review the available choices before continuing. Following this, you will encounter another message titled "Evaluating Social Network App Options." This area allows you to compare different app components and features. Carefully assess each option to determine what best fits your vision. Next, review the components of the social network app. You will see a message that guides you to reviewing social network app components. This section is crucial as it outlines the functionalities you can integrate into your app. After reviewing, you will find a message about reviewing social network app and components. This step reinforces your understanding of how each element works and how they can be combined effectively. Once you've finalized your selections, click on Chat AI or the prompt that allows you to add more features. This action will enable you to customize your app further, tailoring it to your specific needs. Now, it is time to wait for Lovable to generate your app. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of your app and the current server load. Be patient and allow the platform to complete the generation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.